A new lawsuit filed today asks the Wisconsin Supreme Court to consider a case that seeks to throw out the state's legislative districts. The lawsuit claims the current maps are gerrymandered in favor of Republicans.
Just yesterday, the court flipped to a liberal majority. JT Siskowski has you covered on how lawmakers are reacting to this lawsuit that has the potential to change the balance of power in the state capitol.
Lawmakers on both sides of the aisle are reacting to the lawsuit against Wisconsin's legislative districts. And as you can probably imagine, how they feel about the lawsuit depends on if they are Republicans or Democrats. If successful, the lawsuit would throw out the current legislative maps that the state has used since last year. Democrats have won several statewide elections since those maps were adopted, but have been unable to win a majority in the state legislature. Democrats have welcomed the lawsuit. The number of seats they hold in the legislature have been disproportionately smaller than the share of the vote they get statewide over the last several elections. Opponents to the current legislative district maps have pointed to the Republican domination in a swing state like Wisconsin as evidence that the current maps are gerrymandered to benefit conservative candidates.
The people of Wisconsin have been asking for fair maps for a long time, as long as I can remember, frankly. And hopefully we have a successful lawsuit. You look at any polls and people understand that we're a purple state, and there's no way the legislature looks like a purple state. It looks like a red state, and that's not Wisconsin.
Senator Devin LeMahieu, the leader of the Republican majority in the state Senate, called the current legislative maps valid and constitutional. He accused Democrats of refusing to make their political platform more palatable to a broader swath of voters, and of relying on judicial fiat to gain power. Coming up tonight on 27 News, we've got you covered on why the groups bringing this lawsuit feel Wisconsin needs new legislative districts. In Madison, JT Siskowski, 27 News.